In this video, I will show you how you can turn on and turn off your iPad 11 A16. Now to power on your iPad, just grab your iPad. Now if you look at the side of your iPad, you will find this side button. Now do not confuse the side button with the volume buttons. As you can see, these are the volume buttons at the top of the iPad, and this is the side button. Now just press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And after you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And by doing that, you will turn on your iPad 11 A16. And just wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see, we have successfully turned on our iPad. Now to power off your iPad, you have two methods. For the first method, you have a button combination. For that, just press and hold the side button and either of the volume buttons at the same time. As you can see, if I press and hold both of these buttons, I will find the slider to power off my iPad, just like that. But you also have another method to power off your iPad. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And at the top right of the control center, you will find this power icon. If you tap and hold on this power icon, you will open the power menu on your iPad. Now just slide this slider to power off your iPad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.